Hello friends, I am Rai. Welcome to my channel Sunshine with Rai. Today I tell you how to make About Me book. Let's start. Take a scrapbook, a color sheet of paper. Then cover it, help your parents. Then ready. Now pick glitter sheet, 10 petals, pieces. In piece circle, form of a flower. Now make a flowers. Now About Me book cover is ready. Now my About Me book is ready. Let's have a look. My name is Rybera. Write your own name. This is me, my photograph. I am a girl. My happy family. My grandpa, my dad, my mom, my uncle, me and my bro. My birthday is on 3rd of April 2014. I am 8 years old. More numbers. I live in West Bengal, but I am in currently Kashmir. My favorite colors: pink and blue. Cartoon: Beauty and the Beast. Flower: hibiscus. Animal: rabbit. Subject: EVS and maths. Food: fish. Fruit: pomegranate. Vegetable: carrot and brinjal. Bird: parrot. Insects: butterfly. My hobbies: drawing and painting, dancing and yoga, playing games, reading books, making YouTube videos. Place I have visited: Delhi, Kolkata, Digha. I like festival Durga Puja. I study in class 2nd. My colorful hand pens. My dream is to become doctor. I am always smiling. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.